I have been studying English for several years. A few days ago, I started using ChatGPT as a teacher, and today I am going to show you how I use it to learn English. Now, I create prompt and I think ChatGPT helps me to estimate my level, English level assessment tasks. Okay, please answer all questions. Okay, I understand. Grammar, check the correct answer. She goes to the gym every day. Okay. Uh-huh. Part 1. She goes to the gym every day. Uh, I have never been to Japan. If I had more time, I would learn Spanish. Let's check. Let's check and what we see. Uh, ha! All correct. Great. Let's go to part 2. Vocabulary. Choose the best word. I was very tired, so I went to bed early. Okay? He is a very powerful speaker. Everyone listens to him. I am not sure. Let me think about it. Part 2. I was very tired, so I went to bed early. He is a very powerful speaker. Everyone listens to him. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. Mm, I think I have to correct my screen because I think something wrong. I think something wrong. What is wrong? Ah, I got it. Okay, like I think this is better. This will be better. So, what we have? What is result of part 2? Vocabulary, your answers. Okay, great. 3 correct sentences. And part 2, estimated vocabulary level B1, B2. Not bad, but I want C1. Where is part 3? Reading comprehension. Read this text and answer the questions. John usually wakes up at 7 a.m. He eats breakfast, then takes the bus to work. He works in a bank as a manager. After work, he goes to the gym or reads books at home. What time does John wake up? Where does he work? What does he do after work? What time does John wake up? John usually wakes up at 7 a.m. John works at a bank as a manager. After work, he goes to the gym or reads books at home. Check, check. Check, check what we have. All correct. Great. And summary. You understood both specific details and main ideas. Clear, correct, full sentences, good grammar and vocabulary. And last task number 4. Writing task. Describe your favorite place and explain why you like it. Why you like it. Try to use full sentences and at least one adjective like beautiful, peaceful, exciting. A place. I have to describe a favorite place. Mm, uh, okay. Task 4, writing task. Describe your favorite place and explain why you like it. I like my village home very much because there are fresh air, a lot of birds, flowers, and nobody around me. I live alone in a village and it helps me to relax and mm, mm, I like to mm, I don't know how it is in English. I like to make vegetables grow. I like to grow vegetables and mm, I like swimming in a pool or a river. At night, um, I like to watch a beautiful stars in the sky. I'm very exciting be there every time and mm, and that's all. Okay, let's check what we have with task. Usual bug in ChatGPT, usual error. Let's reload, and all my text is cancelled. Let's try again. Task number 4. Describe your favorite place and explain why you like it. I like my house in a village because there are fresh air, a big river. I can swim in a warm water. At night, I like to watch to the stars in the sky, and it is very mm, how to say interesting and um, peaceful. A story, second story, a little bit shorter, but what we see. Your original text, strengths, good ideas and imagery. Your express personal emotion clearly. You express. This is great for writing. You are using complex sentences structure, which is B1 level behavior. Okay. Correction and suggestions. Here's a corrected version of your paragraph. I like my house in the village because there is fresh air and a big river where I can swim in warm water. At night, I enjoy watching the stars in the sky. It is very peaceful and, how can I say, magical. I always feel calm and relaxed there. Notes. No, there are fresh air. Incorrect. Air is uncountable. Oh yeah, this is mistake. There is fresh air. There is fresh air. Uh, Combined your ideas into clearer, shorter sentences. how to say more natural version. How can I say? Or it feels magical. How can I say? It feels magical. Oh, great. Great use of adjectives. Peaceful, interesting. Keep doing that. Okay. Final evaluation. Writing skill level B1 intermediate. Good news. You are able to write full paragraphs, describe places and emotions clearly, use present tense and adjectives well, combine ideas into meaningful thoughts. Would you like me to create a personal learning plan based on your current level? Okay, create a personal learning plan based on my current level B1 to mm, B2. You are already at an intermediate level, and your is next step is strengthen grammar and accuracy, expand vocabulary for daily and professional use, improve listening and reading comprehension, develop fluency and confidence in speaking and writing. Personal English learning plan B1 to B2. Okay, I got a plan. Vocabulary. Okay, English. No. Open link. Very interesting. What does it mean? Perfect English grammar. What does it mean? Uh, really understand? Uh, I have to watch it clearly and here too, but a little bit later. Uh, Familiar and abstract topics. Yes, I have to speak fluently about familiar and abstract topics, write clear text and emails with correct structure, understand most movies. This is my dream. Interviews and native speech. Use more advanced grammar, accurate, accurately. Ah, I don't know how to pronounce it right. Okay, let's ask how to pronounce this word right. That why I like ChatGPT as a teacher. It answers for any questions in any time uh, accurately, accurately, accurately. Break it down syllable by syllable. Accurately. Stress. The first syllable is stressed. Accurately. Accurately. Okay, accurately. I got it. So, as you see, it's very easy and very useful and very effective. So, I think I will continue improving my language skills using ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence.